Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add trust badges to your Shopify product page. So let's dive in. So ladies and gentlemen, we are starting out here on our admin Shopify page. On the left hand side you will see apps and the add button. Go ahead and click on add. You will get over to this page and you're just going to scroll down slightly. You'll find Shopify App Store, and ultimately this is the Shopify App Store. Now what we're looking for is the trust badges bear, and it's this one over here. So this one is what we're using. There are a few others that you can use, but for a very lightweight application that you're adding onto your Shopify store to make sure that your loading speed is not very influenced, we're going to go and use this one over here. So all we're doing is clicking on install. You'll go through the process, and it's pretty much the same for every app that you're going to add onto Shopify. You will just have to click on install. You're giving permission and access between the app and your Shopify store. So whatever access is necessary, it will now connect. You'll see now I have my new page loaded, and ultimately it's your home page again. You can just, of course, refresh the page. But ultimately, this is what we are seeing, and just under apps now, you'll see the conversion bear trust, and this page is important. Now, what you need to do is go ahead, and if it says disabled over here, you're going to go ahead on the right-hand side and just click on enable. This will now enable this, so your setup is 2/3 of the way done. What we can do is scroll down, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of what your trust badge could look like. Of course, you can change now everything that you want to change. So you can remove the header, you can add it in, you can change what it actually says, you can change the font, alignment, the font size, and also the text color. Let's just go past this over here. You can change the badge settings so it can look like this, like that, like this, like that. Whatever the case may be for your preference. Alignment. You can also change the badge size over here, and then you can see over here, this is the badge size on mobile. Then you can add custom margins, and then you can also add in a animation over here. So this is what it looks like. As you're coming down over here, you can see there's a bar placement as well, which you can actually change. You'll need to just copy this and add it into your code of your page. But ultimately, this is what it looks like. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on claim your free plan, and you can choose a plan that's going to suit you best. And once you've chosen all of this, you can go ahead and click on test it in your site. And this will open up your website, and it'll show you exactly where this badge will be. I hope this was helpful.